Welcome back, teachers. We will go to the third feature of this student application is a theory. In theory, student can read theory from our data bank. Right? They can just search, they view this theory. Right? You cannot make a PDF or any other format from this theory. Here is only to read this theory. This purpose is only for reading this theory. Right? So they can make notes from that, any their requirement. Right? This is a very simple feature. No other feature will be included in the theory section. So just they have to read for that purpose. So we just clear here. Now we move to the fourth live lecture. In live lecture, if you have created any Zoom meeting over there in your from principal account, Zoom meeting also will be visible to here, and student will directly click on the button and they join the meeting. So there is a process. We know that we have to share the link of the Zoom meeting, so it will be not shareable right now. So it will mostly use in the COVID situation. Right now it is not much usable function. Right? In a video, there is a YouTube library you can create it from, so that they can watch the video of your YouTube channels. Right? This type you can create a YouTube videos. What you have to do is just make your YouTube library, take the name and the link and paste into your main account, so the student will also view this totally library. Bookmark means if student have any questions which he wants to tell to you, or he has a doubt or she has a doubt, then he when he click on the bookmark icon, all the questions will come into this tab, so they don't require to go into the various exam and search for their doubts. In a pre-YQ practice, he can practice a PYQ, like he wants to make practice of relation function in 2023. So this type he has get view, and click on that one, automatically result will be visible. Next, this type he has selected that one, and they make a practice. In practice is basically simple practice. There is no report section, anything not will be given into that one. So just make a practice, and one by one he solve the questions. Right? This is a PYQ icon. Report panel, what we will include in the report. In the report panel, there is a two type of the graph are there. Is exam graph and is a practice graph. Exam graph means which exams you have created from principal account, and if student had given to that one, it will be visible over here, and student make a practice by himself, so he can, the result of the practice will be given over there. In that one, total number of questions will be given into the center, and the gray means they not attend that questions, red means the incorrect question, and green means correct question. It is a basic formula from every, you can make any of that particular you can say that conclusion from the student, said what is the student mentality and how he can achieve the goals using this chart. Right? So this is a simple report section. Subscription and account section will be also given to there. So student personal details, student want to change password, logo, if you want to apply add a logo, device list. So basically this is the functions which are included in the student panel. Right? So thank you very much for watching this video.